Hey everybody, it's Jim Howe. I want to show you how to change the oil in your hydrostatic motor carrier, which is behind the rear sprocket on your tracks. And the only way to change it is to take off your track, which I done. And then take off your sprocket. There's a reservoir of oil in there that has to be changed every 500 hours with this Bobcat synthetic lubricant. This 8-ounce bottle costs $27 here in Canada at the dealer, and it's the only oil I recommend using. So I'm going to show you how to drain it and replace it with new oil. So for this job you need the oil, of course, a ratchet, 3/16 Allen key, and a little cup to catch the oil. There's only probably 2 ounces of oil in there, so I'll pull up the bottom plug. The Allen keys are probably full of mud. I cleaned mine out earlier so I wouldn't waste your time. It's fairly common for Bobcat T190s to have motor failure, and I think half the reason is this is a lot of work to do your maintenance on this bearing, so a lot of times it gets neglected and dries up and burns out the bearing, as I learned firsthand. So look at that, not a drop coming out. I'll pull the top plug and it might let some come out if it's not airlocked. Wow, dry as a bone. A little bit of oil on there. Yeah. Oh, there's a little bit coming. Yeah, I'll let that drain for a little while. To be quite honest, that's the first time I ever changed it. In the manual, this is all it tells you in the manual, is right here. Hydrostatic motor carrier, replace with oil with high performance synthetic oil. And it says every 500 hours. So it doesn't tell you how to do it, and if you don't do it, your machine's going to end up looking like this. My outer bearing burnt out. This is a new piece I had machined and just rebuilt the outer housing. The dealer wants $3,000 just for this outer housing, and they want $5,300 for a new motor. So, can't afford that. She's pretty dry. It's a wonder it didn't burn out. a little bit coming out. It's pretty well used up, I would say, so I'll just let that drip for a while and come back and see what it looks like later. Okay, it's a couple hours later. I just let this drip while I went to town. That's all the oil that come out of it. She's pretty thick. And what I spilt there when I blew it out the hose. Yuck. Smells bad too. I'm gonna put the plugs back in and fill her up. I'm gonna mark that. Okay, I just want to see how much it actually takes. She's pretty thick. Pretty slow going in. The oil's so thick and the hole so small, it's filling the hole and not letting it go in. I'll just try going slow, see how much I can get in. It'll take a long time at that rate. I think I'll have to look for a syringe or something. Try to inject it. Be back again. Ciao.